Be honest, bro. Do you actually know you can do all this with your PS5 controller? Check this out. There are 3 different ways to type in on your PS5. Many people don't know about this. Check this out. So the first one, let's say you're gonna go to the search bar. This is the worst way, the one that many people use. Just going letter by letter, and damn, it takes too much time, guys. That's not the way to do it. So instead of that, you can press the touchpad one time, and as you can see, it will become like a mouse. All you have to do, just slide your finger on the touchpad to select the letter, then press the X. Or you can also press down the touchpad to select the letter. Second, you can also go to the microphone right there, then just say whatever you want. That's one of the best options, guys. And finally, the last one. So you're gonna go ahead and press down the left and right joystick at the same time, and your controller will become a mouse. Look at that. All you have to do, just move the controller to select the letter, and once you select the letter, just press the X. I just want to show you this way, you know, that you also can do it like this, but it's not my favorite. I don't like it that much. If you press one time this button, it will mute the microphone. That's simple, everybody know that. But now if you press and hold the same button for a few seconds, that will mute the microphone and your TV or monitor. Simply, that will mute everything. If you press one time the PlayStation button, you will see all the notifications that you received, notifications from your game. But if you press and hold for a few seconds the PlayStation button, that will disconnect your controller from your PS5. To connect it back, just press one time the PlayStation button. If you press the triangle button one time, that will take you to the searching bar. Basically, you don't have to navigate the whole PS5 menu to go to the search bar. So all you have to do, just press the triangle button one time and it will take you right there. If you press the PlayStation button and the square button at the same time, you can zoom in on your PlayStation, even if you are on the menu or on the game. Let me try it on this game. 1, 2, and 3. It works perfectly. So to enable that, you're gonna go to settings, accessibility, zoom, and finally enable that setting. Next, on your PS5, go to settings. Scroll all the way down until you see system. All the way at the bottom, you will see power saving. Then you're gonna go where it says set a time until controller turn off. Select after 10 minutes. Me personally, I always choose after 10 minutes. This is, guys, let's say you are playing and for some reason you have to stop playing. Let's say you're gonna go outside or somebody call you, whatever. The controller will turn off in 10 minutes. This is perfect because it won't drain the battery. So when I come back, I'm ready to keep playing. All you have to do, just press one time the PlayStation button and it will be connected right up. Please let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, the one you're gonna start using every day. So I'm gonna read all the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you want part 2, because there's more. Let's go, guys.